Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best cell phone mount for your BMW. A lot of people who watch my videos actually have been asking me, hey, what is this? I see you have your phone clipped in there. What is that? I see you're at the track and the phone doesn't fall off. What is it? So today I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you a couple of other ones that I've used that are not necessarily so good, but they might be good for you. So the first one I used actually, and it's not visible here, is I bought this cup holder mount. Basically it kept my phone up here. That mount is fairly good if you have a DCT or an automatic transmission, because the shifter doesn't interfere with anything. For me, since I have a manual, every time I would put the car in first gear, I would hit the phone, so it just wasn't a good solution. So that one we threw out. Second one, I use this CD slot mount. It's a magnetic mount, and basically the way it works is you put a piece of metal here. Actually, for me, I have it in my case. See, I have a piece of metal here, and you can stick it to your phone, you can stick it to your case, whatever, and basically it keeps your phone here. It's great if you are into blocking your buttons or your climate control buttons. And another thing is, this mount damages the little felt that's inside of the CD slot. So after having it for a couple of days, I decided to toss it. Then I also stuck with the whole magnetic mount theme, and I put one in the vent. Now this one actually kind of blends in and everything, and when you mount the phone, it holds it very well. However, not only does it block the screen, but also it interferes with the proper use of the vent. So you can still kind of open and close it, but you can't really move it up and down or left and right. So I know some people love this, but I don't necessarily like it. I think it's a pretty tacky solution. So this one gets tossed as well. Now, the two winners that I use are the following. This is also a magnetic mount, but this is the one that you stick on. And my car has this flat surface here, and if you put your phone right there, it's at a pretty nice angle where when you're driving, you can quickly glance at what's happening there, or maybe when you're using Google Maps, you can quickly look at that, or if you need to change your destination while you're driving, you shouldn't be texting, you can quickly just do that, and it's perfectly angled. It's awesome. It doesn't move. It's pretty steady, and this is an iPhone XS Max, so it's pretty heavy and it holds it very well. I have another one right below it. It's also a magnetic mount, but it sits flush and sort of closer to the body of the car, and I did that so I can mount my phone horizontally. Check this out. Bam. So it's mounted horizontally. Why do I do it is the following. I do this at the track. Right before I got Apple TV in my car and I couldn't screen mirror, I would put this here horizontally and I would kind of see all my information here. Now also for screen mirroring, I can, if I want my Waze, for example, to be on the screen horizontally, I keep the phone like this and it displays everything horizontally on my screen. So these two mounts are the absolute best mounts. I'm gonna link them down in the description, so let me know which ones work for you. Before I leave, there's one more thing I wanted to highlight. For my case, I got myself this ring mount, and it helps you kind of hold your phone so it doesn't fall out. Pretty awesome. But at the same time, this is a magnetic ring, so not only can you use it on your magnetic mount, if let's say you don't want to have that metal piece on your case, it actually holds your phone very well. It also comes with its own, check this out, it comes with its own sort of mini hanger. So if let's say I wanted to put my phone here, you basically stick this on here and you can hang your phone kind of like that. So if this is where you want to mount your phone, so be it. In this case, I don't know, maybe, yeah, you could, this is kind of the only place where you could put it. Here, you wouldn't have enough clearance, that's why this one sticks out. You obviously don't want to put anything here. If this space was empty, maybe, but Again, this is another good minimalistic solution. All right, so that's it. I hope this answers some of the questions some of you have been asking. If you have any more, leave them down below, and also let me know which one is your favorite one. Just let me know down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.